To create professional streams with OBS Studio, start by organizing your scenes and making sure every element has a clear purpose. Open OBS Studio and create separate scenes for your main content. For example, you can have a starting scene, a main streaming scene, a webcam scene, a break scene, and an ending scene. Next, add your important sources. You can include your game or screen capture, webcam, microphone, images, logos, alerts, and other overlays. Keep your layout clean and avoid adding too many elements. Your main content should always be easy for viewers to see. For your webcam, add a frame or simple overlay and position it where it doesn't cover important information. You can also add your name, social media handles, or other branding elements. Now configure your microphone. Use filters such as noise suppression, compressor, and limiter to make your voice clearer and more consistent. Next, configure your stream output settings. Choose a suitable resolution, frame rate, bitrate, and encoder based on your computer and internet connection. Add scene transitions so that switching between scenes looks smooth instead of abrupt.